These are notes for section 8.4. Okay, 8.4, page 454, 1 to 49 odd. We're doing complex fractions now. It looks like fractions within fractions. So how do you tackle weird looking stuff like this? Okay, so this is up to about problem 12. Some more. Some more at the bottom. Then the next page up to 49. That's about 41. And there's 49 there. Book 8.4. See the very bottom there. Move over a little bit there. And some more on the next page. Top there. And scroll over there. Right. Okay, so we have these complex fractions, fractions within fractions. So how do I deal with that? Number one, 3/4 divided by 2/3. Now, you may have heard something like, if I divide by a fraction, I multiply by the reciprocal. That's still true. That works if you have something that looks exactly like this. That isn't going to work if you add or subtract something. I'll give you a technique that works all the time. Look only at the denominators, 4 and 3. What would be considered a common denominator? 12. So I'll multiply the numerator and denominator of the main fraction by 12, and that cleans up all of these fractions within fractions. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So I just have 3 times 3, or 9, divided by 2 times 4, which is 8. So the idea is look at the common denominator of all the denominators and then multiply the numerator and denominator of the main fraction by that common denominator. Okay, so number 5, 3 plus 2/5, 1 minus 3, 7. So look at these two denominators, 5 and 7. What's considered a common denominator? 35. So multiply by 35 over 35 in the main fraction. That'll clear up the 5. That'll clear up the 7. Okay, so the object is to get rid of the fractions inside fractions. I just want one main fraction. Okay, 35 times 3 is 105. 35 times this fraction, well, 5 goes on 35 7 times, and then 7 times 2 is 14. 35 times 1 is 35. 35 divided by 7 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, so this looks a lot nicer. And that gives me 119 over 20. Okay, 11, common denominator is xy, which we can think of as xy over 1. Okay, so distribute here, x cancels out, I have y. Here, y cancels out, leaving me with x. This is exactly the same except there's a plus, so y plus x. So y minus x over y plus x. Okay, 13, x minus 5 over x squared minus 4, divided by x squared minus 25 over x plus 2. So factor x plus 2, x minus 2. This is x plus 5, x minus 5. Okay, so look only at the denominators, that one, that one, that one. My common denominator is x plus 2, x minus 2. So I multiply top and bottom of the main fraction by x plus 2, x minus 2. So gone, 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 gone. And these are gone. So I just have x minus 5 on top. The bottom I have that one, and that one. Okay, and it looks like x minus 5 cancels x minus 5. Final answer, 1 over x plus 5, x minus 2. Okay, 17, I mean, this looks so weird. Look at all the fractions inside fractions. So x squared, x, and x squared. Multiply top and bottom of the main fraction by x squared, and it works out perfectly, right? So 1 times x squared is x squared. This fraction times x squared, the x squared cancels out, so I have a minus 9. And then this one gives me x squared minus x minus 6. All right, so now I factor x plus 3, x minus 3, x minus 3, x plus 2, x minus 3 cancels out. Final answer, x plus 3 over x plus 2. Okay, 31 starts off with fraction plus fraction divided by fraction plus fraction. So you make it look a lot nicer. Multiply top and bottom by y plus 1, y minus 1. That'll clear up that, and that, and that, and that. Okay, these two times this. Y minus 1 cancels. I have y plus 1 times itself, or y plus 1 squared. this fraction times these two, y plus 1 cancels. I have y minus 1 times itself. Okay, and if you look at the denominator, it's exactly the same thing except there's a minus. So I just copy this, and put a minus. Okay, this is y squared plus 2y plus 1, same thing on the bottom. Y squared minus 2y plus 1, same thing on the bottom. Except this one's a plus, this one's a minus. So this one I just leave it alone. Here I change the sign, so minus, plus, minus. You distribute the negatives, so change all these. Okay, 2y's cancels out on top, 2y squared plus 2. The bottom y squared cancels out, 1 cancels out. I have 2y plus 2y, which is 4y. Factor 2 out of the top, y squared plus 1 over 4y, and cancel the 2's, y squared plus 1 over 2y. 43, factor, 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 factor. So t squared minus 2t minus 8, that factors into t minus 4, t plus 2. T squared plus 7t plus 6, t plus 1, t plus 6. T squared minus t minus 6, t minus 3, t plus 2. T squared plus 2t plus 1, t plus 1 squared, or t plus 1, t plus 1. Okay, now I want to get rid of that, that, and that. So I multiply by t plus 1 squared and t plus 6. That'll knock out all the fractions. Okay, so t plus 6 cancels out. One of these cancels out, so I still have a t plus 1 on top. So on top I have t minus 4, t plus 2, t plus 1. Bottom here, t plus 1 squared cancels these. I have t minus 3, t plus 2, t plus 6. And then these two cancel. Final answer, t minus 4, t plus 1, divided by t minus 3, t plus 6. Okay, so that was section 8.4.